in Land Registration Authority without receiving any financial assistance from this authority, given this 3rd day of February 2025 during the 122nd anniversary of the Land Registration Authority of Quezon City, signed Administrator Gerardo Pangasius. This award is given to Attorney Ana E. Cortez and Attorney Arnold M. Bongkayao. We would also like to recognize his 10 years of service to the LRA, Attorney Christopher John Santos. Announcement po everyone. Meron po tayong prepared lunch for the awardees, and visitors at the 5th floor. We would also like to recognize Attorney Chopista Andrea Jesus for passing the 2024 bar exam.
We would also like to call on stage the 10 years of service, Bon Bores, Rolando Dionisio.
Oh, teka kayong dalawa.